Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com. And in today's balance and stability class, we're going to start to kind of ramp it up a little bit, add a few more exercises, and kind of try to challenge your balance and stability as much as we can. Because we want to make sure that all of the stabilizing muscles, those are the little muscles that you don't see much, help you to make sure that every time you take a step forward, go upstairs, maybe you catch yourself on the edge of a sidewalk, that you can hold yourself and you don't fall from those things. That's the most important thing, okay? And we got to make sure that you're moving. All of these balance and stability videos are designed for you to be able to do them once or twice a day if you want to, okay? You can combine them with each other, whatever works for you. But again, we got to keep you moving. That's the most important thing. So let's start off. You're going to start at the front edge of your chair, and we're just going to start off with our basic abdominal crunch. Holding onto your ribs really tight, squeeze the ribs in, and you're going to fold and bring that up and open. And think about the ribs. Feel them. Squeeze them in tight, 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 and press that up. And again, squeeze it in tight. Excellent. And bring that up. Full inhale and full exhale. There you go. Squeeze it tight and bring it up. You got 4 more. Press back and 3. Excellent job. You've got 2. There you go. 1 more time. Squeeze that tight. And 1. Now, just let your arms relax. So, if you're sitting like this is, I want you to get really relaxed. Get really relaxed. Now, pull yourself up. So you stack your spine, you force your shoulders back and down, and now you're up tall. And let that fall again. And again, stack your spine, shoulders back and down, sit up tall. When you pull your shoulders back, your chest rises, okay? Now tuck it under, let it just fall. And sit up really tall, shoulders back and down, chest up, and press it down. And again, pull it up, shoulders back, and press it down. And again, pull it up, shoulders back, and press it down. Full inhale one way and full exhale the other. We're going to do 3 more. And that's 1. Good. Let it fall. And 2. There you go. 3. Excellent job. And 4. Hold it up and tall. There you go. Now take both arms straight out. Your shoulder blades only. Squeeze them together and let them come apart. And again, squeeze them together and apart. Good job. Pull it all the way back and press it forward. Squeeze back and press it forward. Full inhale and full exhale. There we go. Squeeze it tight and bring it forward. Press it back and forward. It's almost as if you're trying to squeeze a pencil between your shoulder blades, okay? That's how you want to feel it. You don't want to open your arms to the side. You don't want to bend your elbows. It's just the shoulder blades back and bring it forward, because we got to get that muscle really strong. You're going to do 2 more. 1 more. Drop it down. Realize that that muscle in between your shoulder blades, when it's weak, this becomes natural. We don't want that. We got to pull back and we got to make this become natural. So we want to make it strong. So 1 more exercise in our little warm up here. Taking the arms up. Again, not pulling from the elbows. It's all from the shoulders. The shoulders will come up to your ears. The shoulders push down into your back pockets. So they pull up and they press down. Good job. Pull it up and bring it down. There you go. Press up and back down. Press it up, really exaggerate. Squeeze those shoulder blades down as far as you can get them and bring it up and press it down. We have 4 more. And this is 3. Your abdominals are held in tight during this and you're trying to sit up as straight as you can. We got 1 more. Excellent. You got this. And squeeze it down and drop those arms out. Roll it back. There we go. So let's work on our standing. What do you do when you stand? You scoot to the front edge of your chair. Your feet are back behind your knees. Your abdominals are in tight. Remember, shoulders are back. And I want you to look up at the ceiling where the wall and the ceiling meet. Look up, take a deep breath. You lead your weight forward, come up through your feet and stand up. okay? And then slowly set yourself back down, this time aiming your hips way back. Excellent. You scoot forward again, and you pull yourself up. Aim the hips way back, way back, way back. Great. Now bring it forward, and if you feel like your knees are buckling, I want you to slow it down even more so that you can keep your knees straight forward, shoulders back, chest up, and aim those hips back. And again, scoot forward, abs are in tight, press it up, and take it up. Aim the hips way back. Excellent. Scoot it forward, big deep breath, and come up. And press it way back, way back. There you go. Bring it forward. We're going to do one more. And come up. And aim it all the way back, all the way back. And sit down. There you go. Scoot to the center of the chair. Okay? Your body is up nice and tall. Abdominals are in tight. I want you to lift up the right leg. Try not to use your arm. So here's the thing. It's not as important how high this leg comes as your body being straight. So focus on the upper body, shoulders back and down, abs in, and try to bring this leg up as high as you can without distorting your spine, okay? So you're holding it there. Now push your heel out. When you push your heel out, I want you to feel the top of your thigh tighten and then bring it in. And again, press it out and back in. Really push with your heel, just as if, let's just say in theory, you had an ankle weight on. I don't know, it was 100 pounds. What would it feel like? You would struggle to push it out there, and you would squeeze and you'd feel the muscle tighten. That's what I want you to feel, okay? Again, keeping your body up nice and tall. Press it in, there you go. Inhale one way, exhale the other, and keep lifting yourself up. That's it. You have 4 more. Press that out. Great. Keep lifting tall. Out. 2 more. Press that out 1 more time. And bring that out. Drop that leg down. You can shake those legs out. Readjust your form. So sit up nice and tall. Shoulders are back and down. Chest is up. Abs are in tight. Left leg is going to come up. Remember, don't allow this leg to come up and you lose your body. So you got to hold yourself up. This is the most important part. Bring this leg as far as you can get away with, and then push through the heel and bring it in. Nice and tight, feeling the quadricep tighten, and bring it back. And again, push out and press that back. Great job. Push through the heel and bring it back. And press out and in. Take it out. Let's do 4 more. And 3. There you go. It's 2. Excellent. 1 more time. And press it out. We'll do 1. Let's just do 1 more. 1 more. 1 more. Come on. There you go. Ah, drop that down. Okay, shake those out. Now, coming to the front edge, backing your feet up, looking up towards the sky, shoulders are back and down, abs in, deep breath, and exhale. Great. So we're going to walk around to the side of our chair, but actually I'm going to have you walk to the back of your chair. I'm going to turn my chair so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so you're behind your chair, and here's what I want you to do. I want you to come up all the way on your toes, make sure you're on all 10 toes, and then press it down, hold onto the chair, pull your heels up. And then now, but here's the key, you can't like let your body fall backwards, right? So you've got to stay standing up tall. So you're going to come up on all 10 toes, make sure you're centered, then come down, control it, and pull up on your heels. When you lift up from the heels, make sure to hold the chair so you don't fall backwards, okay? And then come back up, all 10 toes, bring it down, and pull your toes up. There you go. And bring that up, all 10 toes, and bring that up. There. Press up, all 10 toes, and again, bring those toes up. And bring it up. There you go, and take that down, lift those toes up. Excellent, we got 4 more. That's 1. Bring it all the way back, toes come up. Great. And here's 2. Remember, those abdominals are tight, your shoulders are back and down. Press that up. This is 3. Bring it down, pull those toes up. Take it back up, that's 4. Press it down, lift up. And here is 5. And bring it down and lift up. Good job. Shake those legs out. Shake those legs out. So here's what we're gonna do. You're up close to your chair. Now remember, when you're using your chair, it's there for you to have balance, but not for dear life, so keep it low. Here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna step back, shift your weight back. Pull up those toes and come forward. And again, shift your weight back and come forward. Shift your weight back and come forward. If you feel like you need to hold on to the chair during this, you can, but I want you to move your weight to this right leg and bring it forward. Shift back and press it forward. And again, shift back and press it forward. Press back and take it forward. 2 more. Bring it back and forward. 1 more time. Press back and forward. Good. Move those legs around. We got the other leg. So again, you're going to step back, shift your weight now to your left leg and bring it to the front. Shift your weight and bring it forward. Shift back and bring it forward. And again, shift it back. Take it forward. Good. Shift back and press forward. Shift back. Take it forward. You got this. Shift back and take forward. Remember, I want you to move at a speed that works for you, where you feel the most stability that you can. So if I'm moving too fast, move slower than me. That's okay. Press it back. We got 3 more. There you go. Take it back. 2 and 1. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to move this a little bit forward. I want you to walk around your chair, and I want you to think about how you're walking. Remember that when you walk, it's heel, ball, and toe. You push off your toe to take the next step. So I want you to try to move slowly and feel yourself walk heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. There you go. And so we're not going to do too many of these, but this is an exercise I want you to be practicing throughout the day. When you're walking, it's heel, ball, toe. So that toe pushes and propels you forward to take the next step. We're going to do this 1 more time. Heel, ball, toe, all the way around. Remember, shoulders are back, chest is up. You're walking heel, ball, toe. Heel, ball, toe. Good job. And so we're going to come back to our chair. Let me turn this around. We are back at our chair. You're going to come back to the front of your chair. Feet are hip distance apart. And now you're going to look up. Shoulders are back and down. Abs are in. You're aiming your hips way back there. There you go. Okay, so now what are we going to do? So scoot to the front. I want you to extend one leg and turn your toe outward. So think about the inside of your knee. At the same time, though, remember, it's our torso that's the most important. So you're sitting up as straight as you can, and you're going to pull the inside of this leg up and down. And again, press it up and down. There you go. Pull up and back down. The entire time maintaining your torso up. For some of you, maybe it might be a good idea to sit in front of a mirror so you can catch yourself roll forward. Because remember, when you do that, you throw your body weight off, and that's going to make you unstable. So I'm trying to teach you how to become stable, and you've got to really stack your spine in order to do that. 3 more. There you go. Keep lifting up. 2. Excellent. And 1. Drop that down. Good job. Now the other leg, same thing. Turn it out, inner thigh aiming up to the sky, lifting your torso tall, and lift and take it down. Full inhale and full exhale. There we go. Abdominals are solid. Press it up and take it down. Press up and back down. Remember, you got to breathe with this. So you're inhaling one way, exhaling the other. Always thinking about keeping those shoulders back and down, abdominals in tight. You've got 4 and 3, sit up taller. 2 and 1. Good. Press that down, shake those legs out. Okay, so feet are hip distance apart, okay? And you're gonna slowly take yourself up, looking up, 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 up. Good. Keep looking up, shoulders are back and down, and aim your hips way back. There you go. Scoot to the front of your chair, press yourself up, lift up, and then aim the hips way back as you sit. And press forward. Again, take it up, 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 up. Good. And bring it all the way back. Yes, one more. Scoot forward and take it up and shake it out. And we're gonna walk to the side of our chair. So here you are, you're at your side. Now, this is what I want you to do. You're gonna pull up the right leg. Again, using this chair only when you need to. And I want you to work on twisting it up and then kicking it forward, okay? You're gonna twist it up, excellent, and kick forward. Now, every movement you make, I want you to think abdominals, think about the muscles that are working, lifting up your chest, shoulders back, there you go. And press it in, good. And push it out, there you go. And curl in. Press out, push through the heel, and press it in, that's it. Push out through the heel, and take it in, 2 more. Press out, and take it in, 1 more time, and push out, and take it in. Drop that leg, shake it out. Oh, okay. The other leg, same thing. Again, you can use your chair, but use it as minimally as possible. Pull that leg up, lift yourself tall, abs are nice and tight, and rotate, and then push it out. Once again, rotate in, and push it out. There you go, pull in tight from those abs. Rotate, and push out. Press it in, and back out. Full inhale, full exhale. That's it. There you go. Abdominals are in really tight. Remember, the minute you feel like your shoulders are gonna fall, you gotta stand them back up again. Press it out and bring it in. 3 more. Press it out and take it in. That's 2. There you go. Press it up and out 1 more time. And bring it up and push it out. Set that down. Oh, okay. Here's what we're gonna do. You're holding on, pull the knee up, lift up really tall with the chest. Now, hold it here, hold it. I want you to work on letting go. So this is what I need you to do, is use your head on this. Take your head and think about your left foot. All 5 toes are gripping into the floor, okay? And you'll feel yourself wobble. You'll feel the weight go to your pinky, to your big toe. Try to take it center. Sorry about the background noise. I can't do anything about that. But hopefully you guys can hear me just fine. Grab those toes in. You're gonna really feel this leg tighten up, let it do it, and then let that go. Shake it out. Let's lift up the other leg, same thing. Your goal is to let go. Now put all your attention in this right leg. Grab your toes into the floor. There you go. Sit up really straight, because if you're slouching, you're gonna fall. So you gotta pull yourself up, make these toes, big toe, little toe, all of them, they're gripping down. Hold it there, and bring that down. Great, let's come back to the front of the chair. Staring up, feet are hip distance apart. Aim the hips back and press that down. Coming back to the front of the mat, extend one leg out, take both arms out, big deep breath, and as you exhale, lead from the chest forward, hold it there. And bring that center, switch sides, leg goes out. Again, lead from the center of your chest, bring that forward. And bring that in. Let's take and cross one foot over the knee. Big deep breath and exhale, pull forward. You'll feel it in the hip. Hold it there. Hold it. And bring that up and switch sides. And bring that forward. Hold it there. There you go. And bring that center. So, like I've said before, this video can be done as a standalone. You can do it twice in a day if you want to, or you can combine it with any of the other videos that we have in the Balance and Stability series. Enjoy, and I'll see you again next time.